Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Arena Info Solutions. This is our first session for computer fundamental. Let's start this session with computer definition. A computer is an electronic device capable of performing arithmetic and logical operations at a high speed. It sorts and executes a set of instructions called program, which enables it to perform a series of predetermined operations without manual intervention. इट मीन्स कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है जो कि अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस को तेज़ गति से परफॉर्म करने की क्षमता रखता है. कंप्यूटर बिना किसी मैनुअल हेल्प के सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस को एग्जीक्यूट करता है जिसे कि प्रोग्राम कहते हैं. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर. C stand for commonly, O for operating, M for machine, P particularly, U used for, T technical, E educational, and R for research. Then the full form of computer is commonly operating machine, particularly used for technical educational research. Organization of computer. In the data processing cycle, input, processing, storage or memory and output are the main part. Input, data is collected and entered into the computer. This is called input process. Storage, whatever is entered into the computer is stored in its main memory. The main memory is temporary, is that the contents of the memory are lost when the power is switched off. टू स्टोर इंफॉर्मेशन परमानेंटली सेकेंडरी मेमोरी इज़ यूज्ड. अगर हम कंप्यूटर में कोई भी डाटा फीड करते हैं तो वो हम मेन मेमोरी में स्टोर होता है. मेन मेमोरी टेम्परेरी होती है, यानी कि रैम की फुल फॉर्म है रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. अगर हम डाटा को परमानेंट स्टोर करना चाहते हैं तो हमें सेकेंडरी मेमोरी की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है. प्रोसेसिंग इज अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ एक्शन परफॉर्म्ड ऑन द डाटा टू गेट डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट. Results are stored in the main memory till they are transferred to an output device. Output, stored results are taken out of the main memory. This is known as output process. Next topic is components of computer. The main components of a computer are central processing unit, input devices and output devices. Central processing unit. CPU is the brain of computer. Its basic function is to perform calculation and various logical functions. It consists of three parts: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. Control unit selects, interrupts, and executes instructions, monitors input output operations and guides the routing of data between storage location and the arithmetic and logic unit. Second is arithmetic and logic unit, performs calculation and comparisons, works at tremendous speed and executes millions of instructions per second. Third point is memory or storage, also called internal storage or main memory or random access memory, consists of very fast memories like magnetic core memory and semiconductor memory. Stores program, instructions or part of data for intermediate need. Data is stored in a computer memory in the form of words, bytes and bits. Let us discuss about bit. Bit stand for one binary digit, which is either 0 or 1. Byte, a number of consecutive bits combined to make a byte. Most commonly used combination is of 8 bits. Size of main memory is given in KB or MB. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes and 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. Word is a group of bits that is processed as a single unit. Commonly used word lengths are 8, 16, 32 or 64 bits. 32 bits word size is the most popular these days. Now next topic is characteristics of computers. Number 1, speed. A computer is a very fast device. It can perform in a few seconds the amount of work that a human being can do in an entire year. कंप्यूटर बहुत तेज़ गति से चलने वाला डिवाइस है. यह कुछ ही सेकंड्स में इतना काम कर लेता है जितना कि ह्यूमन बीइंग को करने के लिए पूरा 1 साल लग जाता है. While about the speed of a computer, we do not talk in terms of seconds or even milliseconds. Our units of speed are the microseconds. A powerful computer is capable of performing about 3 TP 4 million simple arithmetic operation per second. In the case of computer, clock speed is hertz, which is equal to 1 tricks per second. The clock speed of computer is usually measured in megahertz or gigahertz. 1 megahertz is equal to 1 billion tricks per second and 1 gigahertz is equal to 1 billion tricks per second. Second point is accuracy. The accuracy of a computer is consistently high and the degree of accuracy of a particular computer depends upon its design. But for a particular computer, each and every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. Third point is diligence. Unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, lack of connections, etc. and hence can work for hours together without creating any error and without grumbling. Due to this property, computers obviously score over human beings in doing routine type of jobs which require great accuracy. Fourth point is versatility. Versatility is one of the most powerful things about the computer. यानी कि कंप्यूटर बहुमुखी प्रतिभा से काम करने वाला डिवाइस है जो कि एक ही टाइम पर बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम को रन कर सकता है. Last point is power of remembering. A computer can store and recall any amount of information because of its secondary storage capacity. Every piece of information can be retained as long as desired by the user and can be recalled as and when required. कंप्यूटर मेमोरी में डाटा को स्टोर कर सकता है बिकॉज इसमें सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज में यह कैपेबिलिटी होती है कि वो डाटा को स्टोर करके रख सके. इस वीडियो में हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. अगर आपको इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चंस पूछने हो तो आप कमेंट्स करके पूछ सकते हैं.